this question about finding number of laborers for this question. And if you look at the question, you see that the output of the year is 57,600 water heaters per year, and labor is one labor works 200 per month, right? So there's a hint for the per month, and productivity is 0.25 hot water heaters per labor hour. So that was the question. And if we use productivity function, we understand that productivity is 0.25 per labor hour. So we are going to put it here. And then it equals to the output, 57,600 divided by the labor hours. So we have 200 labor hours per person. So here, number of laborers, we can put it here. And we realize that this is annual or yearly production. So you have to multiply by 12. And if you switch around number of laborers over here and 0.25 goes down here, then this is going to be the right function. So the output 57,600 divided by 12 months times 200 labor hours multiplied by 0.25 productivity, then it will produce 96, which is the answer. Okay, thank you.